Unlocking the Secrets of Research Assistance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning and use of a very important phrase in academic and professional settings: research assistance. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious about English, this video will shed light on what research assistance entails and why it's so valuable. So, let's get started. Research assistance refers to the support or help provided during the process of conducting research. This assistance can come in various forms, such as gathering data, finding resources, analyzing information, or even writing and editing research documents. It's a broad term that encompasses any help you might need to carry out your research effectively. The key players in providing research assistance are often librarians, research assistants, or even online resources designed to guide you through your research journey. Whether you're working on an academic thesis, a company project, or personal inquiry, research assistance is invaluable for navigating vast amounts of information and ensuring your work is accurate and comprehensive. Finding quality research assistance can make a significant difference in your work. Here are some common places where research assistance is available. 1. Libraries. Librarians are trained to help you find books, articles, and other resources. They can guide you on how to use databases effectively. 2. Universities and colleges. Many institutions have research assistants or tutors specifically assigned to help students with their projects. 3. Online platforms. There are numerous websites and platforms offering guidance, resources, and tools for researchers in various fields. 4. Professional services. For specialized projects, hiring a professional research assistant might be the best option. These individuals have expertise in specific areas of research and can provide tailored assistance. Why is research assistance so crucial? Here are a few reasons. Saves time. With the right help, you can find the information you need much faster. Increases quality. Assistance ensures that your research is thorough, accurate, and of high quality. Provides learning opportunities. Working with someone knowledgeable can enhance your understanding of research methodologies and subject matter. Supports success. Whether it's academic achievement or professional advancement, research assistance can play a pivotal role in reaching your goals. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of research assistance and its significance in the realm of research and learning. Remember, seeking out assistance isn't a sign of weakness but a smart strategy for success. Whether you're embarking on a complex academic project or exploring a personal interest, don't hesitate to seek out the resources and support available to you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content on English language learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and tips. Happy researching!